All right, this is just a quick video about the community zone and how to connect. So if I click this connect item, up here I'll see the community zone and I can enter the community zone. First thing I want to point out is the password is here. So when I say I want to enter it, it would say the password is there. For here, I can put any information I want, like I could say editor, SQL Server Central, Advocate, Redgate software, and Denver, right? I can put this stuff in there and it'll appear. And then when I join, it would say, do I want to join this space here? Now I'm recording this, so my microphone and camera are there, used there, right? Windows, I can only use one, but typically they would be listed here. So if I click join, I'll pop in, it'll say, here is the password. And once I'm in there, I see all these items. Now I've typically wanted to expand this into the full screen, pop it open here, because I want this to be more easily visible to me. Again, it's saying this. I'll join the space and do this, and I'm just going to close out of this one here. Now you'll see all these rooms here on the side. They're listed. The chat then is here from the room. And so I can pop in any of these rooms. For example, I'll pick the cats and dogs room because that is super cool. And I drop in here. And then you'll notice if I zoom out, I see more things. So I can move around my avatar and see what's there. Normally my camera would be here, but it's not. This room has some webcams of cats and dogs and puppies, and so it's fantastic when I move around. If I jump into something else like the community area, what you'll see here is I'm going to move away from people. You drop in the zone, but there's actually a large space. So I can move around to different spaces. So there's a Data Saturday, SQL Saturday.
I was like finishing.
And we can hear them. You'll notice as I get close, I can hear Andy and Ray talking. And if I move away, I hear less stuff there as well, right? And there's a data grilling room. And so that's really how I can navigate around. I can zoom in, and as I zoom in, I'll see things. If I mute myself, I get a little smaller. If I'm not muted, I'm a little larger. And as I get close to people, I hear them talking or not talking. And that's just kind of the general way spatial works. And if I want to switch rooms, I just switch to a room. And again, you usually want to zoom out so that you can see how large the room is and then where people might be listed. If I'm looking on the rooms, I can actually see who's in them. So in the chill out zone, Samantha is there. I'm in the DE&I room. There's a help desk room here with a couple of people on staff. And the community area tends to attract a lot of people. So I don't actually have to go in the room to see who's there. And then once I go in, I can expand to see where they are. So hopefully this helps you navigate around the spatial chat. I think it's a fantastic platform, and I hope to see you in the community zone.